Welcome to Salesforce training. In this demonstration, we're going to learn about leads. Leads can be added manually as you canvass your territory, or could be provided by marketing. Our goal is to determine if there is an immediate or future selling opportunity, and we will learn about leads by creating and then editing a lead. Before creating a new lead in Salesforce, you should always perform a global search to ensure that the lead is not currently in the system, either as a lead or a contact. Now that we know our lead does not currently exist in the system, we can add that lead by clicking on the Leads tab and then clicking New. When creating a new lead, enter as much information that you have, including the required fields, as indicated by the red asterisk. You can then enter the first name and last name, as well as all the contact info that you have, including the phone number and the email address. Click Save and the lead detail page will display, and the system will automatically query all records to see if the lead already exists. If a match is found, you'll be alerted of a possible duplicate, and you should contact your system administrator for help. Below the lead name is the Highlights panel, which displays quick, pertinent information about the lead. On the right side of the Highlights panel are action buttons: Follow, Convert, Edit, New Note. Below the Highlights panel is the lead path. The different stages of the path represent the work you have completed to qualify and convert the lead as you work the lead through the selling process. We provide guidance for success to help direct your activities at each stage of the selling process. Every lead should start out in the pre-qualify stage. Once you've completed your initial steps in the process and recorded the data you've collected, you can move the lead to the relationship building stage and click Mark as Current Status. This stage will trigger new behaviors until you have completed the Identify Needs and Qualify the Account stage. Once that stage is marked complete, you should mark the stage as qualified or converted. We will review the conversion process later in this training. In the main body of the lead record are the Activity, Chatter, Details, and News tabs with the related records in the right column. The Activity tab displays tasks and sales calls associated with this lead. Tasks are activities to be completed by a specific due date, while sales calls are events on a calendar at a specific time and date. Incomplete tasks past the due date will show the due date in red. The Chatter tab allows you to collaborate on a lead across your organization. The Details tab shows all lead details arranged by relevant section. The lead details, address, and custom link sections can be collapsed as needed, and Salesforce will remember your selection. The News tab shows relevant news related to your lead, and the related lists in the right column show additional records associated with the lead: potential duplicates, sales calls, notes, files, and campaign history. The drop-down menu next to each related list lets you add additional records to each list. You can edit a lead record simply by clicking the Edit button or by clicking on any field that has the pencil icon. Once you are finished editing, click Save. You can convert a lead after you have completed the qualification process. This will transfer all collected data and convert the lead to an account, a contact, and an optional opportunity to continue the selling process. All your activity history will follow the contact for future reference. When converting a lead, you can create that new account, contact, or opportunity, or use one that you discovered already exists in Salesforce. Once you've decided to create new records, click the caret next to the account, contact, or opportunity to define specific information regarding the type of record you're adding. Let's look at a lead in the mobile application. The Leads tab will have a search bar at the top next to the notification bell icon. You will see your recently viewed leads list by default. Select My Unread Leads to view your newest leads that you haven't read yet. When that list is blank, tap the All Open Leads list view. You can filter, sort, and create a new lead using the action buttons at the bottom of the page. Click the Filter button to reduce the results in your list view. Tap Add Filter, select the field, and enter the criteria. When you're done, click Apply. To see more records, you must remove existing filters. Tap the filter icon, and then the X next to the filtered field to remove the filter. Click Apply to view your results. You can sort the list view by tapping the Sort button to select the field to sort, choosing ascending or descending, and then tapping Apply. Tapping the New button creates a new lead, but remember to search first to see if the lead already exists in the system as either a lead or a contact. Once you have confirmed that the person does not exist, enter all information that you have on the new lead beyond the required name and status fields. When you are complete, tap the Save icon. The lead path doesn't translate to the mobile screens, so it's best to review your newest leads on the desktop for guidance. You can manage the lead status by tapping the Edit button and changing the lead status. As you change the lead status, it is expected that you have gathered new information which will be required to save the lead with that new status. The information required is highlighted in red. After you have saved the lead, action buttons appear at the bottom of the screen and allow you to convert or edit the lead, post a chatter, add a file, or show more actions which include adding a new task or note, entering a sales call, or cloning this lead. After you have qualified the lead, it's time to convert the lead by tapping the Convert button and adding additional information to continue the sales process. If the company name on the lead is not an exact match to an existing account record, you will have to add a new account as part of the conversion process. Simply tap Add on the upper right part of the screen and follow the Add New Account steps to complete. You will have to add a name to the opportunity field to create a new opportunity. If you leave it blank, no related opportunity will be created. All of the activities and personal contact information will transfer from the lead record to the contact record. Once you have completed entering all the conversion information, tap Convert to complete the process. Go to Salesforce CRM Connections community for more videos, user guides, and support.